So we're looking at forwards bay parking. It's underestimated by many who take the driving test. They always think reverse parking is harder. But when you're forwards parking, you don't have access to your mirrors to see if you're in the bay or not. The manoeuvre is split into 3 separate parts. First of all, you need to drive accurately and safely into a bay. The second part is where you need to safely reverse out of the bay, making adequate observations and avoiding hitting or getting in the way of other people. Remember, you do not have priority. The third part is moving off safely, remembering to check both blind spots before you move away. So it's just like moving off normally. Make sure you check. As you turn, keep the car under control, nice and slow. Don't race in there, and always pause just before you turn to make that check. Once you are in the bay, secure the car and brake neutral to take the car out to open the door in line with your body in the middle of the door. Then, full lock. Make sure you keep looking all around, and then reversing sense has got a bit noisy, didn't it? That's because we've got music so close to the second car. The guy that's behind is